The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Hoboken Police Department. At 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a group of unidentified individuals were last seen attacking civilians near Stevens Park. The individuals were last seen wearing gray shirts, blue jackets with an eye on the back, blue jeans, and black combat boots. Their motives for these attacks are unknown at this time. All civilians near Stevens Park are advised to leave the area immediately. If you see an individual approaching you, leave in a calm manner. The Hoboken Police Department will be arriving shortly to capture the individuals. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Hoboken Police Department. At 1:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the individuals last seen near Stevens Park have killed the police officer sent to contain them. Eyewitness reports state that the individuals, now known as the Oculus, have pulled out an unknown weapon and shot down all the police officers. The Oculus have left the scene, and their current location is unknown at this time. The Hoboken Police Department advises all civilians within a 4-block radius of Stevens Park to stay indoors. Please stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Hoboken Police Department. At 1:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several people were reported brutally murdered inside their homes. No signs of break-ins were reported with these murders. The victims had an eye-shaped wound on their chests, and multiple burns on their bodies. To protect yourself from these attacks, take the following actions. Lock all your doors and windows. Do not let anyone into your home. If you have any firearms, keep them loaded and ready to use. Otherwise, arm yourself with a knife, axe, or any sharp or blunt object. Be prepared to defend yourself at all times. Most importantly, stay calm. Panic will only make the situation worse. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Hoboken Police Department. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, more reports of people murdered inside their homes have been received. Every home broken into had a message written in blood on the back of the front door which states, "Run." It is believed that the Oculus is responsible for these murders. However, no signs of the Oculus can be found at this time. As a precaution, all civilians are advised to The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Hoboken Police Department. At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an explosion has occurred at the intersection of 6th Street and Court Street. An unidentified individual has left the scene shortly thereafter. The explosion has released a cloud of red smoke into the air. This smoke cloud is considered harmless. However, all civilians within a 30-meter radius of the intersection are advised to leave the area immediately. It is unknown if more explosions will occur elsewhere. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the Hoboken Police Department. This smoke cloud originating from an explosion at the intersection of 6th Street and Court Street was now proven to be harmful to humans. The CDC has confirmed that an unidentified disease is present in the smoke cloud. Symptoms of this disease may include coughing, dizziness, vomiting, fatigue, blood and vomit, peeling of skin, and blood pouring out from skin. The CDC advises all civilians to remain indoors. Lock all doors and windows as this is an airborne virus. If you or someone in your family is infected with this virus, dial 911 immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the Hoboken Police Department. More reports of people becoming infected with the unidentified disease have been received. The CDC has now discovered that the disease can be transmitted through water and bodily fluids. In addition, reports of random attacks from infected civilians have also been received. The CDC and the Hoboken Police Department advises all civilians to stay away from the infected. If someone in your home is infected with the disease, quarantine them immediately. Please stay tuned for more updates as this situation develops. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the Hoboken Police Department. Residents in the city of Hoboken, lock all of your doors immediately. The Hoboken Police Department have received multiple reports of infected people attacking civilians in their homes. The infected people can be identified with the following characteristics: blue irises, drooping eyes, blue jackets with eyes on the back, and increased levels of aggression. In addition, it has been discovered that the oculus is responsible for releasing the disease into the city of Hoboken. Civilians are advised to be prepared to defend themselves at any time. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available.